Young here with Air Alliance, bringing you a very brief video on a channel update. I'm going to start posting the majority of my content at real.video. It is a new platform that Mike, the health ranger, decided to take the risk, roll the dice on, be a little bit of an entrepreneur, and bring a platform that will compete with YouTube because, well, like a lot of us, we just got sick of the shadow banning, the censorship, the algorithms that they were creating to keep people away from his channel and his message. And although my channel, that he has accepted my channel for being a content creator on his platform, I'm not going to try to be political on it, although some of the things I do on my channel offend people on the left that have to deal with firearms and hunting and fishing and that sort of thing, you know, common sense shit. So that's where I'm going to be posting my content. He's got an open platform that you won't be retributed against for not having or sharing the same opinion as him or the platform. So he's wanting an open dialogue, stuff like that. So I will still post anything I do out in the field as far as overnighters, overland expedition, four-wheel drive, a day at the gun range, archery range, fishing, anything on the outdoors that have to do with self-reliance and basic fundamental knowledge. I'll still post that content, but for now, I'm going to do a lot of commentary content like this, sitting in front of my phone, as work's going to have me pretty well tied up for the next month or so, so I'm not going to be able to get out of town. But I do appreciate Mike for his diligence to get this platform off the ground, and also accepting my peewee little fly-by-night channel to create content on his platform. I do appreciate that. So spread the word, guys. Let people know. Go check it out at real.video. I mean, you don't have to be a content creator. You could still look at content over there. He's got over 200 channels right now going on his platform, and I expect it to probably just keep growing. So check it out and spread the links, whatnot. So thank you. Talk to you later.